Hey guys.
Hey
Hey
guys.
Alright, I'm done.
I don't believe you. Hey guys, welcome back to my
Hey guys. Okay.
No, it's not okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week you guys get to meet my boyfriend.
Hey y'all, my name is Lee. I'm an actor out here in Los Angeles just trying to find my way.
You saw a couple weeks ago the video that I did with Jocelyn where she recreated my makeup on half of my face. We're basically going to do the same thing, except I am going to make it harder for him than I did for her. And he has never touched makeup, so it should be interesting.
Y'all might see the little half Joker face on one of her.
So I am going to just jump right into this. I'm going to go and do my half of my face off camera real quick, and then we'll come back so that he can recreate it. Okay guys, we're back. I just did my half of the face. He's got his hands full with this one.
It's gonna be very entertaining, y'all.
You excited?
Whew, I'm nervous, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay.
I feel like I'm gonna jack this up. Y'all ready?
Let's do it. So I did moisturize and prime my face before just so that he didn't have to worry about that. So he's just going to go straight in and start.
Yeah.
Whatever he's going to start with. So
We'll start with the eyebrows.
let's do this. You're so concentrated.
I've never done this before, so I'm like...
He's literally never touched it.
Yeah, I like...
I don't think he's going to do that bad because he's watched me do my makeup countless times.
Shit.
I don't think he's going to do nearly as bad as he thinks he's going to do.
She's overestimating me, y'all. Y'all better let her know. This gonna be an ugly ass eyebrow. Oh my god. Don't look at it.
Don't look at it? Why can't I look at it?
It's so bad.
What did he do to me? Wow, you did worse than Jocelyn. Are you giving up? Is that your final?
This is my final. This is my final.
This is
This is my
it?
final on the brows, y'all.
You were so concentrated. I wish you could see yourself. You're looking like you did something wrong.
No. Eyebrow just looks so fucked up.
Should I go out after?
No.
Should we go out to eat?
No.
Would you make me look like a man?
Yeah.
This half of my face looks like a man.
She looks like a man named Sergey.
Wow. Did you just put that all over my face?
Don't question it, bro.
Okay.
Don't question it.
Okay. Whatever.
Let me do my thing.
Okay. You do your thing.
Yeah, let me do my thing.
Do your thing, babe.
This is fun.
You having fun?
Yeah. I want to get into your eye. I feel like I'm in art class. I don't know about her eyebrow, but her eye gonna be fire, y'all.
This video with you and this video with Jocelyn is like completely different because Jocelyn was like barely paying attention to me doing my makeup and your eyes were on me the entire time I was doing it. It made me so uncomfortable because his eyes were glued to me the entire time I did my half. Like, and then doing my makeup, Jocelyn was so talkative and like not as concentrated. And then you're like, shh, be quiet. I'm working here.
We like look up. Fuck.
Did you mess it up?
Like you're punched in the eye. Did you put those up? No, it's okay. Over there.
Please don't poke my eye with the liquid liner. I can feel how bad this is. I could feel that you messed it up so bad. How's he doing? I haven't seen anything. So how is he doing?
Oh my lord. Alright, turn your face. I need...
Here's my side. And here's his side. Don't you like me? Whatever makes you happy.
Yep. That's it.
That's it?
Mm-hmm. Just gotta put the eyelash on.
The eyelashes, you don't want to do those?
Mm-mm.
No?
Mm-mm.
Okay, he doesn't want to glue my eyes shut or anything, so I guess I will put on lashes real quick. So what do you guys think? I can already tell how bad this is.
Yep.
What do you guys think so far? This is horrible.
I tried.
I don't even, like, I can see it in the camera monitor, but, like, it's so far away, I don't know that I want to open up the mirror to put the lashes on.
I tried to tell her, y'all. She didn't believe me. I've been telling her all day she overestimated me.
Okay, guys, we are back. Lashes saved it a little bit. A little. The lashes saved it a tiny bit. So the next thing would be lips. Do you want to pick out lips? He loves picking out my lipstick. I don't know if he loves it. I make him pick out my lipstick. Okay, so we are going to use Small Wonder from Kylie Cosmetics. It's one of the velvet formulas. So I'm going to do that real quick. Okay, so I just put the lipstick on, so now let's take a look at everything. First things first. He put concealer, it felt like, over the entire half of my face. Like, okay. The eyebrow. The eyebrow's another story. The eyebrow is a whole thing in its own. I don't think you didn't do as bad as you thought you were gonna do. The eye sucks, yes. The eye is trash.
Mm-hmm. All I said was I was gonna fuck her face up, y'all.
But the way you were making it sound all day was that you were, like, really gonna fuck it up. Like, I mean, this looks like I did my makeup drunk in a closet, but it doesn't look like a 3-year-old did my makeup. You know? Like, you were making it sound like it was gonna look like a 3-year-old did my makeup or something. It's close, but not quite.
4-year-old.
I feel like this side of my face almost is like clown.
And then what
like it's on the verge, but it's not. But it's on the verge of clown.
Ta-da! Because I was concentrating
You
really
were
hard.
concentrating.
Really hard. Y'all don't understand. Y'all don't see there's like 20 brushes right here. And they all serve a purpose. Like one purpose. Like you need every single brush that's on this table right now. It is so weird. I commend any man or woman or anybody who does this every day, because this is a work of art. And yeah, I see why it takes like an hour to do makeup for some people. That was fun. That was fun, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed that.
Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel, for coming to watch this video. Please remember to leave a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. If you guys have any video requests, anything you want reviewed, please let me know in the comments section down below as well. If you want to follow me on my social media, my Snapchat is EmilySavannah95, and my Instagram and my Twitter are yagirlm with 2 M's and then an underscore. His stuff, if you want to follow him on any social media, is...
my Instagram is at I am Lee Bingham. I'm pretty sure she's going to put it up on the screen. My Twitter, same, I am Lee Bingham. And what else? What else is there? Snapchat is LBingham6.
Perfect. Lovely.
Alright.
Thank you guys so much for coming to watch again, and then I will see you next time.